Welcome once again to another session of Share Your Favourite Sutta. Today's Sutta is the Ratana Sutta from the Suttanipāta, an ancient collection of the Buddhist discourses, together with its commentaries translated from the Pali by Bhikkhu Bodhi. Whatever beings are gathered here, whether of the earth or in the sky, may all beings indeed be happy, and then listen carefully to what is said. Therefore, O beings, all of you listen. Show loving kindness to the human population, who day and night bring you offerings. Therefore, being heedful, protect them. Whatever treasure exists here or beyond, or the sublime gem in the heavens, there is none equal to the Tathagata. This too is the sublime gem in the Buddha. By this truth may there be safety. Destruction, dispassion, the deathless, the sublime, which Sakyamuni, concentrated, attained. There is nothing equal to that Dhamma. This too is the sublime gem in the Dhamma. By this truth may there be safety. The purity that the Supreme Buddha praised, which they call concentration without interval, the equal of that concentration does not exist. This too is the sublime gem in the Dhamma. By this truth may there be safety. The 8 persons praised by the good constitute these 4 pairs. These, worthy of offerings, are the fortunate one's disciples. Gifts given to them yield abundant fruit. This too is the sublime gem in the Sangha. By this truth may there be safety. Those who strived well with a firm mind, who are desireless in Gautama's teaching, have reached attainment, having plunged into the deathless, enjoying perfect peace, obtained free of charge. This too is the sublime gem in the Sangha. By this truth may there be safety. As a gate post planted in the ground would be unshakable by the 4 winds, similarly, I speak of the good person who, having experienced them, sees the noble truths. This too is the sublime gem in the Sangha. By this truth may there be safety. Those who have cognized the noble truths, well taught by the one of deep wisdom, even if they are extremely heedless, do not take an 8th existence. This too is the sublime gem in the Sangha. By this truth may there be safety. Together with one's achievement of vision, 3 things are discarded: the view of the personal entity and doubt, and whatever good behavior and observances there are. One who is also freed from the 4 planes of misery, and is incapable of doing 6 deeds. This too is the sublime gem in the Sangha. By this truth may there be safety. Although one does a bad deed by body, speech, or mind, one is incapable of concealing it. Such inability is stated for one who has seen the state. This too is the sublime gem in the Sangha. By this truth may there be safety. Like a woodland thicket with flowering crests, in a summer month, in the first of the summer, just so he taught the excellent Dhamma, leading to Nibbana, for the supreme welfare. This too is the sublime gem in the Buddha. By this truth may there be safety. The excellent one, knower of the excellent, giver of the excellent, bringer of the excellent, the unsurpassed one, taught the excellent Dhamma. This too is the sublime gem in the Buddha. By this truth may there be safety. The old is destroyed, there is no new origination. Their minds are dispassionate towards future existence. With seeds destroyed, with no desire for growth, those wise ones are extinguished like this lamp. This too is the sublime gem in the Sangha. By this truth may there be safety. Whatever beings are gathered here, whether of the earth or in the sky, we pay homage to the thus gone Buddha. Venerated by devas and humans, may there be safety. Whatever beings are gathered here, whether of the earth or in the sky, we pay homage to the thus gone Dharma. Venerated by devas and humans, may there be safety. Whatever beings are gathered here, whether of the earth or in the sky, we pay homage to the thus gone Sangha. Venerated by devas and humans, may there be safety. This concludes the Ratana Sutta from the Suttanipāta. If you would like to share your favorite sutta with your friends, do let us know. The details are in this poster. A donation will be most welcome and the proceeds will go towards Buddhist Fellowship's Building Fund. But if you are unable to offer a donation, this is fine as well. We will still be delighted to read your favorite sutta online. For more information, please email us at info@buddhistfellowship.org. If you would like to explore more ways to donate to our building fund, do check out the website at bfdharmahome.org. Thank you once again for tuning in, and we hope you have enjoyed the Ratana Sutta, and we hope to see you all again soon.